actually doing my handiwork. Yeah, so here I am making me a hard cushion for my mommy for Valentine's. And you know, I'm gonna sew it up yet, but it actually cut out. I'm there I sew the I love you on it. So I'm gonna stay tuned for see the finished product. Yeah, stay tuned. Actually my first handiwork. I could have used the machine, but I choose to use my hand also. So that's just about it. The girl layer and our thing. Yeah. I'm gonna take a little time. But I also want you guys to be here with me, right? Yes, I also make some cushions, but you guys will actually see it down in the video. Just stay tuned for the thing and see how the girl are going. Alright. So yeah, people, this is actually an unfinished job. Not finished as yet. It is actually for my mommy Valentine's. We also make some cushion. This is not stuff as yet. It's not stuff as yet, but that's all needed, and then we close it up. But this is just about a few of what's going on. Yeah, I already cut out my heart. So yeah, stay tuned for the finished product or products. Alright, people, behind camera is Shenshen Official here, and these are the finished products, which is the red and white. They are the finished product of my cushion that I started out with. You guys will see the art ones made especially for my mommy Valentine's, so you guys will see that as we go along. All right, stay tuned for that.